Hello, BMC here, installing the BMC seat lock on baggers. First, get a shoestring, it's real simple, or any kind of wire or whatever, and feed it through your fender like this down to the other side. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna tie the shoestring or wire through this hole, and you're gonna pull it back up through the fender. And we'll show you that right now. Pull your seat pin up like so, keeping pressure, making sure everything lines up. Take your plastic circlip, clip on like so. Then it's adhered to the fender, and obviously you can take your shoestring off. Then it's very important, the seat goes on first, making sure that our bracket locks into the donut style. Then the white washer, then your seat hold down screw with this awesome logo on it, and you can get it on there. Then when you're done with that, obviously the lock. Also, the lock works for your helmet to keep it secure also.